Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So it is Wear Test Wednesday. We're filming an eyeshadow tutorial in a second, but we're gonna go ahead and put our lips on first because these eyes are gonna take forever, and I want to go ahead and get this wear test started. So it is basically 11:48, pretty much noon. We're going to attempt to stay up till midnight. Really depends on how this lipstick performs, how long we actually stay up for the test. But we have got a little birthday party to go to today. We're going to have some fun with some friends, and I thought I'd go ahead and do a wear test while I could document that for you guys so you can see kind of what my at-home little fun days look like. So what we have got today is actually a brand that you're going to find mostly on Amazon. They do have their own website there called Delance. You can get their 10-piece liquid lipstick set for like 10 bucks. Sometimes you can find coupon codes and get it for as low as $5 for 10 lipsticks. I've had a swatch of the lipstick on my hand for a big portion of today. It's not budging, looks pretty good there. So I figured I would go ahead and test it on the lips for today and see how it performs. Some of these are metallic. Y'all know I only test matte formulas on my channel. So we are going to go ahead and take the same one I have on my hand, which is this dark shade here, but we have everything from nudes, a nice metallic orange, a gold, pretty mauve, a red, a metallic pink, and a blue in this set. I have seen swatches. They are all really pretty. We're not going to include them today, but I can leave maybe a link to the listing where you can kind of see swatches of all of them. But this packaging is cute. It's got kind of, it almost looks like a spray bottle on top. Has the name here, nice and see-through. Has a flat applicator, which personally I really like these because they've got this really good tip on them that you can use for lining, and then you use this to apply the bulk of the color. So we're going to go ahead and put this on and hope to goodness it looks really good with our eyeshadow today. Sorry, y'all just saw all my secrets. But we're going to go ahead and put this on, see how it looks and how it feels, and carry on with check-ins throughout the day. So here we go. Okay, so that is pretty opaque. It dries so quick I could barely even fix my little mess ups. Still got a little bit to fix, let's be real. But we have got this pretty much on. I'm going to go ahead and touch up this little spot right here. And that's all better. So we are just going to wear this today. We're going to see how long it can last. We are not taking it with us. It's going back in the kit. And yeah, when I come back, y'all will also see some cute ass eyeshadow, just for the record, because you've probably already seen the video, so I'll go ahead and link it up here. We're going to play with Juvia's Place, and we've got the Afrique palette. I think that's how you say it. And we're going to play with it today. So that will be on my face when I come back, which should be pretty quick for you guys. So yeah, let's go ahead and wear this lipstick. Okay guys, so we are at our 3-hour point for our check-in. I got some friends with me today. Hi. Birthday party happening in about 30 minutes. So far, still looks really good. I mean, basically for 50 cents, this is incredible. It's definitely a little bled a little bit, nothing crazy, no major fading. Even the center's pretty good. So I'm impressed so far, but it's only like $2.45. So we're gonna see how this wears. About to have cake and stuff. So yeah, I'll see y'all in a few more hours. Okay guys, so final check-in time, and yes, I know my eyes are looking super rough. Y'all be fine. So it is 9:53. We made it 10 hours. It's got to be some kind of accomplishment. So we're going to zoom on in. And here's what we think. This has feathered. It's faded a lot. Had I done touch-ups, like just minor ones, this probably would have been okay. But y'all know it's a wear test. But for a 10-hour wear on a lipstick that essentially costs like 50 cents to $1, depending on what coupon code you can catch, this ain't too bad, I'm not gonna lie. But I would not recommend it if you need it to last like 12, 15 hours for whatever reason. Probably not. But it was definitely a good quality lipstick for that price. I definitely expected it to fade off a lot quicker. It's even still on my hand pretty solid. It's been on there since like 8 a.m. So, I mean, this lipstick performed way better than I expected. Definitely worth the price point because, I mean, if you think about it, I got all 10 of those for like less than $6, like 5 something. So they came out to roughly 50 cents each. Those coupons are pretty easy to come by if you're in some of the right beauty groups. Even if you buy them full price, they're like $1 a piece. That's not bad at all. I mean, I don't know. To me, that's totally fine. I'm not sure if they sell them separately, but overall they performed pretty good. I'm pretty impressed. I definitely will be reaching for these, especially, you know, when I just need to take some pictures, if I'm just going out somewhere for a little bit. And I'm sure with the way they faded, the more nude colors would probably look really good over a whole day. So yeah, I definitely get my seal of approval. Just be a little cautious. Don't get them if you need to wear them all day. But I mean, if you just need a lipstick because you're going out for a little bit, or you're taking a picture, or you're just doing a look, or, you know, if you don't mind touching up, which I mean, I really don't on a typical day anyways, definitely would recommend these. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you on Friday. Bye, you guys.